It's gonna be my first time doing my eyebrows with this piercing. So we're gonna see how it goes. I don't know why every time I go to the hair store, I cannot find the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. It's like extinct. It's like every hair store I go to, they don't have Fawn. So we're gonna try Suede today. I'm gonna try Suede because it looks similar to Fawn. Like it almost, yeah, it looks similar. It's like almost there. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single day. Staring next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Give it away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Staring next to you, you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My how you come my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an every since we play. Staring next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Staring next to you, you. You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it?
I wanna stay.